Hi, in this lesson we'll have a look at a simple yet effective rhythm pattern called split stroke or split strumming, which involves playing a single picked note as well as a strumming pattern. Let's get to it. Hi, I'm Dave and welcome to How to Play Guitar for Beginners. If this is your first time in this channel, thanks for dropping by. This is the YouTube guitar channel where we learn to play guitar step by step. And today we'll be continuing to develop our rhythm playing by looking at a great little technique known as split stroke or split strumming. And this technique involves playing a single note followed by a strummed pattern. In the previous lesson we looked at G, C and D. This time we'll be focusing on the chords A and E. And in the last lesson with G and C you had to pick a fingered string, but with D you played the open D string or the fourth string. With A and E you'll also be picking an open string. Once again we'll just stick to a basic strumming pattern as well. Breaking this down slowly, here's the A chord with the fingering, and you can see the diagram just over there. And the bass or root note is the lowest note, and this is the A string or the fifth string. As I said, it's the open string. So pick and strum like this. So quite simple, as I say, you've got the pick note, A, and then you've got the strumming pattern, which is just basically downstrokes on the beat of the bar. We've already looked at D, but here's a quick reminder. I'll just play this for you. We've got the D chord, and the open fourth string, the D string, is our root note that we'll be picking. Here we go. And putting those together, I'm going to play 2 bars of A followed by 2 bars of D. Here we go. Now we've got A. We also already have D and G, so we're going to use those 3 chords for a simple practice. Okay. And again I'm going to do 2 bars of D, 2 bars of G and 2 bars of A, and finishing off on the D chord. Great, now on to the E chord. And as you can see there, here is the E chord shape. And we'll be picking the open 6th string, the open E string, which is our lowest note. And this is how it should sound. And let's put this all together. We've got A, we've got D, we've got E. Let's put those 3 chords together. So I'm going to play 2 bars of A, 2 bars of D, and then 2 bars of E. And once again I'll finish off on the A chord. So we've been doing the picking on the first beat of the bar, but let's try picking on the first and third beat of the bar. I'll use A, D and E to demo this. go, sounding slightly more countryish by the minute. We've got 5 chords, G, C, D, A and E, and we can use those chords for 3 12-bar blues. 12-bar blues in G, 12-bar blues in A and 12-bar blues in D. Give them a practice and try both types of split strumming with the picking on just the first beat and the picking on the first and third beats of the bar. Remember, try to keep your right hand relaxed. As I've said before, don't worry if you're making mistakes when you're doing the first pick and hitting maybe 2 or 3 strings, or even missing the string completely. It'll take time, but you'll get there in the end. So with these 5 chords, I hope by now this is beginning to get a little easier for you, and this pattern and the chords are beginning to feel a little more in your fingers. So as I said, we've got 3 12-bar progressions that we can work with. And once you've had a crack at all 3 with the different split stroke patterns, which one was the easiest for you? Let me know in the comments section. I'd love to connect with you guys and read the comments from our guitar community. Thanks for watching. Why not subscribe for more quality content like this? And if you haven't had a look at some of the previous content, then why not check the links in the description below. Of course, if there's something that you'd like me to teach, then let me know in the comments section. Remember that this is a beginners community, so if you have any questions about anything that we've looked at today or in any previous lesson, don't be too embarrassed to ask. Thanks again for watching, keep strumming, and I'll see you next time.